In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone a project in Base44. This process is simple and straightforward, but it's important that we go through each step carefully to ensure you don't miss anything essential. Whether you're cloning for backup purposes, to start a new project, or to experiment without affecting the original, this guide will help you do it with ease. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Base44 website. Open your browser and enter the URL, then log into your account. It's important to have your login credentials ready for a quick and smooth start. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. From here, your journey to cloning your project begins. Now on the dashboard, look for the application titled Freelance Flow and click on it. This is where all the magic starts. Clicking on Freelance Flow directs you to a new set of options where you can manage your projects and access various tools available on Base44. Once you're inside, find the dashboard link, which is typically located in the main navigation menu. Clicking on Dashboard will take you to a central hub where you can get an overview of your projects, including their statuses and some key metrics. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for finding the project you're looking to clone. From the dashboard view, direct your attention to the Settings option. By clicking on Settings, you enter a space where you can adjust app configurations and personalize the features to your preferences. It might be tempting to browse around. However, our goal today is to streamline the process and ensure maximum efficiency. Next, you need to click on App Settings. This menu allows you to dive even further into the detailed settings of your project. Here you have access to tools that can help you modify how your project functions and appears. Navigating through app settings might seem overwhelming at first, but it's a central spot for all the advanced configurations you might need. Finally, you'll see the option to create copy. Clicking on this will initiate the cloning process. It's like taking a snapshot of your current project and saving it as a new separate file. This creates an identical version of your original project, allowing you to explore new ideas or demonstrate features without affecting your main work. By following these steps, you've successfully cloned a project in Base44. You can now proceed with your cloned project just like you would with any original project, whether it's experimenting with new ideas or building on existing work. Remember, if you plan to make significant changes, always ensure you have a backup, which now, with this cloned version, you do. Thank you for following along, and happy creating with Base44.